simple interest. When money is put into a bank, it often earns interest of some kind. Sadly, these days, not as much as it used to, but you do get some kind of interest. This is money that the bank pays as a reward for you to put the money into their bank. Okay? So, some banks pay simple interest, which is normally paid annually. Annually means once a year. And it's based on the amount of money put into the account originally. Okay? So if you put $100 into the account, you would earn interest based on that original $100, whether you kept it in there for 5 years or 500 years. Okay? So that's what simple interest is about. The amount of interest that it pays each year does not change. Alright, so each year you're going to get the same amount of money based on the original amount. Now there's a formula that we use to find or calculate the simple interest. We're using these letters. I, which represents the interest earned, equals P, which is referring to the principal amount invested. In other words, how much money you put into the account. R, which is the rate of interest as a percentage. T, which is representing the time, and then that's all divided by 100. Now, the fact that I've written P, R, and T next to each other, what does that tell us is happening with those values? P, R, T are next to each other.
They always do the same numbers?
They will be for each question the same value, but what if we were trying to actually calculate it, what would we do with these numbers? Not add them together. If we wanted to add them together, I'd have to make sure I put a plus sign, but if they're next to each other. Sarah, did you have your hand up to answer?
My
Alright, let's just hold it up level for a second just so you can listen to this for now. Katika? Good girl, multiply them. Now, did we remember that? Madeline, are you paying attention or are you playing with the calculator? Alright, so what we need to write down here is that we are multiplying these numbers. Okay, whilst there's no multiply sign, we need to multiply them. Okay, so make sure we're writing this down. So the interest that we earn is equal to the principal amount invested multiplied by the rate as a percentage multiplied by the time in years, all divided by 100. Alright, so just to be clear, so to calculate the interest, we replace each of the letters with the appropriate values and use our calculator. So, how much interest is earned when $3,000 is placed in an account earning 2.8% interest PA? When it has PA, it represents per annum, which means each year. If it's left in there for 5 years. So, we have to establish what we've been given. So the letters on the formula were I, P, R, and T. Okay, so they were the 4 letters that we have in the formula. Do we know the value of I yet? Are we told the actual interest, how much money we get? Not yet, no. Okay, so that's what we're trying to find. Do we know the value of P? So do we know the amount of money that was put into the account? Jade?
3,000.
3,000. So that's going to go there. Do we know the value of R? Maya, B. What did R stand for?
Principal amount
R.
invested.
Okay, Ryan's going to read her notes. What did R represent?
2.8%.
Yeah, tell me what it represents. The rate, yes, the percentage rate. Okay, so that would be 2.8 for this question. And T I, what does T represent?
Time in years.
And so what's for this question, what's that value?
5.
5, awesome. Okay, we happy with that? So will make
Why
sense?
I have a question.
Because that's what we've asked, that's what they've asked us to calculate. So whenever we're doing this, there'll be something that's got a question mark next to it. So for this particular question, it's the I. So then what we do is we say I equals, and then we follow our formula. So we've got 3,000 multiplied by 2.8 multiplied by 5 divided by 100. And then we chuck that in our calculators. Okay, so that gave us 420. And we're talking about money, aren't we? So that's $420. Now, in some questions, so you have to read them carefully, not this particular one, so this we've finished, but in some questions they might say, well, how much money do they have in the account? Okay, well, if we put $3,000 in the account and we've earned $420 interest, how much money is going to be in the account? How do we work it out? Guys, do you have any idea? If we know that we put $3,000 in ourselves and the bank's rewarded us with $420, what will we do with
Probably divided by something.
divide by? What do you think you want to divide by? What did I say that interest was? It's a reward, isn't it? It's a gift.
Yeah.
So what are they doing to it? They are giving that to us. Yes? So if we put $3,000 in and they've rewarded us or gifted us $420, what am I going to do to know how much is in the account? It's a reward. They've given it to you.
Why are
Fine? You would add it. Yes, because you put this much money in and they've given you this much, so in total you would add those two together. Does that make sense now?
Yeah, I thought you said the original salt. I'm just, yeah.
So to find out how much was in the account, we would add those two numbers.
That's easy one.
So we've got 3,420, okay? But for this particular question, they just asked for the interest, okay? So it's a side note here that I'm saying sometimes they might ask you to add those numbers together. So just be careful, yes? All right, second example. How much interest is earned when $120 is placed in an account?
Wait, I have a question.
Oh,
One about
yeah.
Why is it times by 100?
It's not multiply by, it's divide.
Oh, why is it divided by 100?
Because that's the rule.
It's always
PRT divide that. Yeah, always 100. Okay?
Why do you feel like 100 so much?
Because we're talking about percentages.
All
Alright, so again, what were our four letters? I, P, R, and T. Do we know I?
Oh, no.
No, that's the question mark. Do we know P?
Yeah.
Which is
100.
120. Do we know R?
Yeah.
5.3. And do we know T?
4.
4. Okay, we're going to chuck that in our formula. So we've got I equals 100 multiplied by 5.3 multiplied by 4 divided by 100. Now, before we do anything on the calculator, is this number going to be a nice big number like the one before was?
No. No.
Why not?
Because the P is a little bit smaller, so it's going to be a little less.
Exactly. So do you remember I said to you really early on, whenever we're doing any questions in maths, I want you to try and guess or just think about what you're writing in a sensible way. So if you had made a mistake and written a massive number, you would know that this one's not quite right. Okay? So just have a think about what you're writing when you chuck something in the calculator. Because sometimes you type things in incorrectly. Jade.
No, I was just saying also because the 4 years also is a smaller number, so it's going to be.
Absolutely, yes. Yeah. Maya?
25.
25? Were you happy with that?
No.
Well, 25.
44, but.
25.44?
Yes.
Well, we was right, 0.44. Why would I stop at 0.44? Why wouldn't I keep going? Did you divide by 100?
Oh,
You did divide by 10, Nana.
sorry.
Zika, what did you do
Oh,
wrong,
I
darling?
didn't do the one.
Alright, so why, so it was just 0.44, it wasn't any more numbers anyway.
No.
Alright, okay. So our interest here is $25.44. Okay, going back up to this one here in the cents check. If we'd forgot to divide by 100, we would have had 42000. Well, how much money is that? Tell me that as a number, okay?
40,000 and 42,000.
Good go. $42,000. Well, tell me, like, if I put $3,000 into an account and then they gave me $42,000, well, that's ridiculous, isn't it? Okay. So that would be something where you would be like, hang on a minute, something's wrong, or this bank's really stupid because they're giving away $42,000 and I only put $3,000 in. Like that's not. They're not going to be in business very long. We would love it, but I think everyone would try to put their money in and then go out of business. Okay. So we need to always think carefully, sensibly. Is our answer looking like it's correct? Okay. Similarly, Maya just accidentally divided by 10 instead of 100, so she had $254. Is that sensible given that we only put $120 in? Not really. Okay, they're not going to give you way more money than you started with. So always what I would like you to do is check, is your answer a sensible one? As I said in red here, don't forget to make sure all answers relating to money have 2 decimal places if they are not whole amounts. Okay? Yes, you can go do it. Alright, girls. So, now,